By the end of this video, you'll have a complete anime video, consistent characters, smooth animation, AI voiceover, ready to upload on Shorts or TikTok. No animation skills needed, no jumping between 5 tools. Everything happens inside one platform called OpenArt. This is not a sponsored video. I personally tested this tool. Step 1. Write your story in ChatGPT. Every anime needs 3 things: a hero, a villain, and a simple 3-beat arc. Problem starts, things get worse, it resolves. Here's the story I'm using. Ryu is a young samurai carrying a cursed sword. A shadow warlord named Kuro has been destroying villages to find it. Ryu must face Kuro, not to win the fight, but to break the curse before it destroys him. Paste your story into ChatGPT and type this. Break this into 7 numbered scenes. Each scene is 1 sentence, 1 visual moment only. Scene 1. Ryu stands on a dark hilltop, the cursed red sword glowing on his back. Scene 2. A burning village. Kuro's army marches through the smoke. All the way to Scene 7. Save this list. It's your production map for every step that follows. Step 2. Design and lock your characters. Go to openart.ai. Create a free account. On the left sidebar, click Characters, then click Start with Description. Hero prompt: Ryu. Ryu, young male samurai, early 20s, short black hair with 1 white streak, sharp dark eyes, torn navy blue kimono, cracked silver shoulder armor, glowing red cursed katana on his back. Anime style: detailed line work, cinematic side lighting. Generate. Pick the best result. Click Lock Character. Locking is critical. It saves every detail of the face, outfit, and colors. Every scene you generate after this will use the exact same character automatically. Now do the same for the villain. Villain prompt: Kuro. Kuro, tall male warlord, mid-40s, long silver hair, hollow white eyes with no pupils, black and gold battle armor with dark energy flowing around it, cracked mask on his belt. Anime style: menacing, heavy shadow lighting. Generate. Pick the best version. Click Lock Character. 2 locked characters. Done. Step 3. Generate all 7 scene images back in ChatGPT. Paste your 7 scene list and type "Turn each scene into an image generation prompt." Include character names, location, mood, lighting, and camera angle. You'll get 7 ready-to-use prompts. Now go to OpenArt's image generator. Before pasting any prompt, find every character description ChatGPT wrote and replace it with the actual character name, Ryu or Kuro. OpenArt will pull their locked designs directly. Set style to anime or cinematic anime. Generate all 7 scenes one by one. Pick the best frame for each. Save them. Step 4. Animate each scene inside OpenArt. Go to the video section. These are your base frames for animation. Step 4. Animate each scene inside OpenArt. Go to the video section. Click Image to Video. Upload Scene 1. Select the Kling 3.0 model from the dropdown. This model handles anime colors and motion the best. Set duration to 5 to 8 seconds. Generate. If the clip looks off, simplify the movement prompt and regenerate. Repeat for all 7 scenes. You'll end up with 7 short animated clips, all consistent, all ready for editing. Step 5. Add AI voiceover, still inside OpenArt. Go to the audio section. ElevenLabs is built in. Write a short narration, 1 to 2 sentences per scene. Keep it tight, because your clips are only 5 to 8 seconds each. Example narration for this story. Ryu has carried the cursed sword for 3 years. He never chose it. It chose him. And now, the man hunting it has finally found him. Paste your full narration. Download the audio file. Step 6. Edit and export in CapCut. Open CapCut, free on phone or desktop. Import all 7 clips. Place them in order on the timeline. Import your voiceover and place it on the audio track below. Play it through. Standard YouTube, 1920 by 1080 horizontal. Export. Done. Trim clips where needed so scene transitions match the natural pauses in the narration. Go to Text, Auto Captions. CapCut generates subtitles from your audio automatically. Quick check for errors and fix any wrong words. Export settings, Shorts or TikTok, 1080 by 1920 vertical. Standard YouTube, 1920 by 1080 horizontal. Export. Done. Final result.
Ryu, a young samurai, walks a path shadowed by a cursed blade he cannot escape. Across the land, the warlord Kuro burns villages in search of that very sword. Now, their destinies collide. Not for victory, but for freedom. Because if Ryu fails to break the curse, it won't just take his life, it will take his soul.
You now have a 45 to 90 second anime video. Same character face every scene. Smooth camera motion. AI narration that fits the tone. Subtitles included. Total time to build this, under 2 hours. Character design, image generation, animation, and voiceover all inside OpenArt without switching tools. The process is the same for any anime story. Change the characters, change the scenes. The workflow stays identical. Now you know exactly how to do it.